Hey guys, this is gonna be a little tutorial how to make a charger for your Juul. I had my charger, but I lost it. You know, things happen. It's small. So what you gotta do? Grab a charger. I used an iPhone charger, but I think this charger would work. You wanna use some scissors. Just go gently around the edge of the. You don't wanna cut the wire. Just take off the wrapping, like so. Yep. And then with these two, you want to do the same. But you gotta be more careful because these wires are very thin. I like to just use my nail and kind of like pinch it off. Yep. And then after you have that done, it should charge right away. Alright, let me see. If we plug it in, and you see the two outside ports, let's flip it over so you can see. Right now it's yellow, and now it's charging. So I like to take this a step further. I made one using a key ring, right? And since this is magnetic, it'll just like snap on, and it'll be like the actual charger. So we plug this in real quick. You can see. Oh, sorry, let me redo. You can see that. You just make sure it's outside ports, and then it works too. Now this one's an iPhone 4 charger, but you can use any charger. I just used this micro USB charger, and it works the same. You wanna be careful though. Even though it works, it's still a little dangerous, and I wouldn't recommend it. But I just wanted to show that you can do it, and just want to be sure that when you put it on, that it doesn't touch the metal. You can do this for any metal thing. We're just using the fact that it's magnetic to hold it in place. So you don't have to hold it all the time. You can just